At the beginning of 2023, New Zealand got hit, and hit hard. First came the floods, then the cyclone.
Tēnā tātou katoa, good evening. The death toll from Cyclone Gabrielle has risen by 2 to 11 after deaths reported in Onikawa in Napier and Crownthorpe in Hastings. Authorities are still expecting to find more bodies as they reach more isolated communities. More incredible video has emerged of lifesavers rescuing dozens of people from roofs in the height of the flooding. Meanwhile,
Where we live, in Auckland's Mount Albert neighborhood, we lost many old and stately trees.
When the night has come and the land is dark and the moon,
Sometimes those trees endangered homes and the people who live in them.
no, I won't be afraid. Oh, I won't be afraid. Just as long as you stand.
The trees were chopped up and choppered out. Then they were turned into mulch, a lot of mulch.
That we look upon should tumble and fall, or the mountain should crumble to the sea. I won't cry, no, I won't shed a tear, just as long as you stand by me. And darling, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Oh, stand now. Stand by me. Stand by me.
And then the rain stops, the wind drops, and hope returns.